refreshing. You guys don't understand this. I realize that it's actually something that you do. It says refreshing ice Coca-Cola drink. Refreshing ice cold drink. By the way, it's iced tea. Iced tea. I'm actually doing a trend with this. I'm still practicing this. Excuse me. 'So good. 10 out of 10. This is probably my favorite. If you think that I drink like a normal pure brown, just squeeze it in. I just wanted to read it, by the way. I was so bored of watching different and watching, so I decided to watch English, and after that, I went to record and talk about it. How much did you guys get on your allowance from school? I got $250,000 to $50,000. I am not lying. It's just in my bag. Like hold up, let me just play something. This was my slime I made. It has some mold on it now. Ew. By the way, I just used my old beads. I don't want to do it. Let's use this one for my part. And it's not stretchy. Just blup, blup, blup. There's the other one, but it's lost. Like disappeared. Because bye-bye. Where's their freaking old Max? Hey! Now, please do not drink my iced tea. That is not refreshing. Nagtigibang kasi literally just I'm staring at it on the bed. See my 1,000, my 1,000, and my other 1,000, and my 500. So 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000, and plus it 500 to 5,000. Kasi it's 1,000, diba? Yes, no? Parang hindi. Wait, it is right here. No, it's so heavy. Excuse me, I hate me being sick, but at least I don't go to school. Excuse me. Oh, it just spilled. No. See it? Does it look like it's actually iced tea? It's kind of brown, not black. Do you guys know Adam's Apple Story? I love it. I buy one of those books. Not sure shorter than this one. Here is very long. I love this style. I always wear it and cook. Just freshen my hair before I record. Wait, I'm already recording. I'm so done. My eyes hurt here and I blink. It's like a crying if I blink. By the way, my nose is not hurt. I just get my color for my nose. Open it like this. Oh. Can you guys fix that thing? Here. If you guys ask why am I not recording that much. I also work or play Roblox, TikTok. I do TikTok that much. I love TikTok. That way it's drinking. I went straight to my shop. I need it. Okay, luckily it's water. If it is, it's gonna choke. It's so heavy. I see a lot of money, but I can't show it to you guys. You guys gonna let me? You guys gonna? Why did I do that? Look, it's the cute little nose. You guys don't lie. You guys don't think I'm lying. Hear this. See? Real. There's always so many pennies and some papeles.